This is gonna be the elevator, or maybe the parking elevator at the PierHouse60 hotel in Clearwater Beach, Florida. And look at that. Looks like we got some Series 5 Otises.
Going down.
Is that just, oh, whoops. Almost shut.
That's okay.
P1. That is one long beep.
P1.
Going up?
Going up.
Bring your key. You need your key for that.
Going up.
Which one opens?
Going up.
Doesn't work.
No, it's not working. Okay, wait. Just try it the other way.
Can I see?
Yep. There you go. Thank you.
Just gotta put it in faster.
Faster, yeah. I see that. Thank you.
Eighth floor. Going up.
Are we going? Oh, there we go.
Ninth floor.
That is,
You taking videos of this?
yes. Have a nice day, ma'am.
You too, honey. Thank you.
All right. That is one annoying beep. But it's an Otis Gen2 we got here.
10th floor.
Ooh, there's a restaurant up here.
Going down.
P2. They got white LEDs in these. Very annoying beep.
P2.
On the parking level.
Going up.
My mom's probably gotta turn back, but there it goes. And that's gonna be it.